Hey crafting friends, it's Carolina with alwaysexpectmore.com, and I'm here today with another fun kit from Annie's Creative Woman. These are the monthly kits that come in my mailbox, and I'm always so excited when this green package shows up on my door. So let's go ahead and see what's inside this month. And it's this super fun tobacco basket. And I totally love this. I think it's fabulous as is, but I feel like I want to change it up a little bit. So you ready? Let's get started. So the tobacco basket kit has everything in it that I need to make this project. And I'm actually changing it up a little bit. And I'm going to turn it into a star. So I'm going to take all these pieces and set them all aside. So I have the roll of reed. I'm going to carefully open this up. I've already cracked it a little bit, and that's okay. I'll be trimming off this end. And I'm just going to let it spin right open on its own, because I don't want to be fighting with it, and it's totally fine. And I'm going to measure out my pieces. And they can just be cut with regular scissors. We're just going to go ahead and measure. So I've cut my pieces into 4 20-inch pieces, and then 4 of my 24-inch pieces, and that's what's going to make my basket. I'm gonna go ahead and start my weaving. I've got 2 24-inch pieces, and those are gonna be the outside. And I've got 2 22-inch pieces, and those are gonna be the inside. Now you can definitely sand off the pieces if they feel a little rough to you at all, and you can totally follow the instructions in the kit to whitewash these if you'd rather have a whitewash star, but I'm gonna go ahead and go with a natural wood grain on here. So I've got my 2 smaller 20-inch pieces on the inside and my 2 bigger 24-inch pieces on the outside. And I'm gonna go ahead and weave with my smaller pieces on the inside. And my larger pieces on the outside. So I've gone ahead and centered all my pieces, found the center, length and width, and put them here in more of a tight weave. And then I'm going to use the little clothespins that come with and clip everything in place. And this is what's called a dry fit. So there's no glue holding anything anywhere. It's just being kind of held loosely in place while we go ahead and do our next step. And that next step is I'm going to take these 2 long outer pieces, put them together, and add a staple in the corner. And then I'm going to take the 2 shorter inner pieces, and give them a staple in the corner. Now that I'm happy with that, I'm going to go ahead and release this clip for a second. And I have my hot glue. And I'm just going to tuck a dab of glue right in here. And then I can put the clip back in place to secure it, just to hold it while that glue sets. Going to go ahead and repeat this all the way around. I'm And by the time you get to the end, you may find that you don't even really need glue dabs because it's all really sitting really nice together. So now we have our woven star, and we can take the wreath from the kit and add it in. If you're going to add it in, I suggest going through and kind of bending out some of these leaves because they are totally bendable and movable, and really opening it up some more. Obviously in shipping things get a little bit smushed, so you want to fluff it up and give it some real pretty open look to it before you add it on. And there we go. There's our woven star. So there you have it. A woven star made out of the Annie's Tobacco Basket kit. You can go ahead and hang this up on your wall for a great decoration, and if you want, you can go ahead and add that wreath. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, leave those down below, and make sure you subscribe to this channel. I'll see you here soon. Bye, friends.